Hey everyone, how are you doing? I just wanted to make this quick video to talk a little bit about our Discord community because we have recently reached 500 members on our Discord server and I'm pretty excited about this. I'm really proud of you guys and I like to see this community growing. So in case you don't know what Discord is and you haven't joined the Discord server, let me tell you a little bit about this. Because my goal or my idea was to create a safe space on the internet for every IT professional or tech enthusiast to just come here, hang out, chat, and just connect with other people who share the same interests like you. Because especially in IT, I think this is really, really important. Because if you're working in IT, you probably know that the IT industry is such a vast industry. We have so many different job roles, we have so many different professions and areas, and no one, trust me, no one can be an expert in everything. I'm not an expert myself, right? I probably know a little bit about containerization, a little bit about Python, and I have some years of experience working in IT, but I still often need your help, guys. I often just want to know what are the best practices, which tools and software or workflows you're using, and what could be interesting as well. So it always is a lot of fun, and it also helps me a lot to connect with you guys and reach out and have a discussion about tech stuff. And I think we can all benefit from this. I think this also could help other people as well. And therefore, I would really like to see more people contributing to this community. So let me also show you a little bit about what you can actually do here. So in case you don't know where to find our Discord server, you will find a link in every single YouTube video I do. Just look at the description, scroll down, and there will find a link. Or in case you're coming from any of my social media profiles like Twitter or Instagram, then just go to my profile section, click on the link, and it will take you to this page here, the Digital Life blog. And there I have a link collection where you can just follow me everywhere. For example, the YouTube channel where I create tutorials and content for IT professionals, my Twitter profile, my Instagram where I recently share some behind the scenes materials, vlogs, and videos and clips like this, right? And also the Discord community. When you click on this, it will give you an invite link. There you can just download the Discord software and just connect to our server. On our Discord server, I will regularly share any news here. So for example, if I make a new YouTube tutorial, I will put it there in the news feed. Or if I go live on YouTube, if I make any social media posts that are interesting, I will share it to you guys. You will also find some free resources here. For example, how to learn programming, how to learn Python, or CodeWars challenges, or any templates or boilerplates of my GitHub repositories, or deals and promotions, for example, for IT certification courses like IT Pro TV, DigitalOcean free credits, and a lot of more stuff I will add to this space here. Then you have the chat channels where you can just introduce yourself. So when you are new, just tell us who you are, what you're doing, what is your profession, which projects you are working on. It's always very interesting and fun to talk to you guys. You have a general discussion channel. You also have a share projects channel where you can share all your projects or work you're doing. We have very talented and very professional guys who are developing their own software. For example, Crazy Rabbit, who is currently programming his own password manager. And I think this is really an awesome project. But there are also other guys who share their scripts and stuff they are doing on their GitHub profile or any Docker Compose boilerplates, whatever. So if you're working on any projects, just come here and share it with us. You also have a questions channel, so you can see I always try to be very active and try to answer any questions, but also it helps me a lot if other people are contributing to this. We also have a learning channel, we have a career tips channel, an IT certifications channel, Linux, Windows, Home Lab, networking, cloud, Python, Docker, security. It's a lot of stuff out there. I also just recently created a new channel that is called The Digital Space, and this is pretty interesting because it is somewhat like Twitter Spaces or Clubhouse, if you know that. It is kind of a live stream podcast format where we can just go to a voice channel and just have a discussion. And you can also request voice permissions where you can take part at our discussion. So I think this is really great to grow our community and just regularly meet and chat and talk about some interesting tech stuff. So I will do that beside my regular YouTube live streaming, guys. I think this is a really cool feature and let's just try it out. So I hope you're now excited as I am and just try it out and join our Discord community. And if you have already joined but you haven't regularly watched it, then it's always worth to take a look and see some of the news and updates I regularly share here. So thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short clip and I hope I see you soon on our Discord. Take care. Bye bye.